Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18 version on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. Okay, first open any web browser, also open terminal, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. Then see here at the time of making this video the latest release is 18. Click on download or click on download. Then click on Linux. Then click on Ubuntu. Then see here the PostgreSQL APT repository supports current versions of Ubuntu 25.10, 25.04, 24.04 and 22.04. Okay, so we have to execute these commands to install PostgreSQL Server 18. Okay, so copy these commands one by one and execute. Copy it. It will install :CA certificates. Go to terminal, paste it, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, both are already newer versions. Now import repository signing key. Now create repository configuration file. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. All packages are updated. Ctrl A. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL 18. If you want to install 17, give 17. If you want to install 18, give 18. Hit enter. This typo. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server 18. Okay, so type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed, and this is the data directory. And see here the default values like max connection 100, shared buffer size 128 megabytes, and default time zone. This is the time zone of my Ubuntu machine. Okay, so now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL Server is installed and it is active and enabled. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected. This is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server. It is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL Server 18. Ctrl A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for Postgres, which is super user. So verify list of users. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is super user. We can also get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. See, we got the same. So set the password for this user, alter user Postgres with password. Now verify list of databases /L. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. We can also get the select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the databases. Okay, now create database. Create database. Now verify the same. See, we have created database and this is the one of the database. Now switch to this database and create a table. We can use the /c or connect, either is same. Then provide the name of the database. You are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table. See, we have created table customer in public schema. This is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now create user. Create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify. See, we have created user David. Okay, now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. To exit, we have to use the \q. PSQL -h means hostname, localhost because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. Then -u must be caps. Then username is David. -d means database, Postgres. Then provide the password of this user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to connect to database that we have created. See, we have successfully connected to database bank as user Postgres, as user David. Now try to access the table that we have created in this database. See, permission needed for table customer because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, now exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart PostgreSQL Server 18 version on Ubuntu 22.04. Can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit from the Postgres user. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. This typo. See, PostgreSQL server is stopped. We can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So start it again. Exit from the current user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started. 1 second. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is restarted. Okay. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. Now we'll see how to find the PostgreSQL conf files and data and log directory locations. So config_file. See, this is the configuration file which contains PostgreSQL server level configuration information. We want to find the HPA file. HPA means host based authentication file. See, both are in the same directory. If you want to find the data directory, show data_directory. See, this is the data directory. Log directory, show log_directory. Okay, exit. Now, until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgAdmin or dbeaver. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both pgAdmin or dbeaver and Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18 version on Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, for more PostgreSQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.